Good day, everyone. My name is Jackson Kurokoto, and we are talking about the advantages of online distance learning. Because of the outbreak of COVID-19, the government realized that face-to-face classes is too dangerous for the people. So the government comes up with the online distance learning to fight against COVID-19 and to provide safety for the people. During online class, students did not struggle for coming to school every day, especially those students whose home is too far from school. That that's hard to travel. That most of the parents are worried about and and leads them to to be late and punished by the prefect of discipline that most of the students have experienced. But through online learning, parents are and fewer worries for their children and less hard for the students. And they could and spend they can spend more time for their families and friends to have a bond. Students spend much time on the internet to grow to improve their skills and discover more, to grow their knowledge, to grow their knowledge by by bits of help by achieving their dreams and goals during this pandemic. And it's no waste of time for the students. Online learning is cost effective. Parents will not spend much money for their children, for the snacks and for the fare. It is convenient for the teachers and students. When teachers are busy, they can record the class discussion for the students, while students can play it every time and everywhere as long as they have an internet connection and a gadget to use. And it saves much time for the teachers and students so they could do what they want at home or to entertain themselves. It helps the students to become independent. During online class, students are far away from their classmates. So students will take the responsibilities. Learning will be more challenging and leads them to become self-confident, risk-takers, and broad-minded, which will be their advantage for their future. Teachers can have a variety of teaching styles. Teachers can make the class presentation more entertaining during class discussion, and this leads having the attention of every student, which is very helpful for the students to understand the topic. And teachers can easily approach by sending them a message if there are problems of the activities or lacking of the activities. But Google can help students Google can help the students to view their lacking activities, which is very helpful to avoid lacking activities. So, online learning creates a brand new environment for the creates a brand new environment to experience for the teachers and students during this pandemic. And during this COVID-19 pandemic, online class is very effective to keep us moving forward while the world is having a problem. And we will be very thankful from our Almighty and to our President for protecting us and giving us another chance to proceed ahead to reach our goals and dreams of our lives. And always remember, time is gold. So we should value every tick of the clock. And I thank you.